So hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new, hi, my name is Stephanie, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me again. As you can see by that thumbnail, we are doing it. Advent calendar, advent calendar, advent calendar. Guys, I can't tell you what video this is. I have no idea. But we do have to get through this calendar. And what calendar is that, you ask? It is a Target calendar. Now, it is wrapped like this, and I will tell you why. There is a story. Well, it's not a long story, but it's a story that goes with this. If you want to know what's in the Target 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar for 2022, please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, so hey everyone. So we do have Target 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar for 2022. Now guys, I searched high and low for this. You have no idea. I started calling the stores like, oh my gosh, in the beginning of October. And they're like, no, no, what are you talking about? Like they didn't even know what I was talking about. Okay. So I went to 2 Targets. The one manager had said, well, come back in the middle of October, you know, because we're doing Halloween now. I was like, all right. I said, can you just put one away for me and call me? She said, well, I'm not really supposed to do that. You can call us if they're out and say, are they out? And then we will hold it up here and you can come pick it up. So I kept calling and nothing. I was like, they have to be out. It was like the end of October. I'm like, they have to be out now. So I drove out there. They're in the back. I said, well, can you just get me? I want 2. Please, can I get 2? Because I was going to do a giveaway with it. They wouldn't. My good friend, and who I love dearly, she is very, very sweet. Guys, she has a channel here on YouTube. She is part of our platform. My goal right now is to get you to know her because her and I are going to be doing a collab around the new year. Okay, we're shooting for that. She unboxed it on her channel, and I was like, I've been looking for that. I said, how did you find that? Where was it? Like, you know, like, did you order it online or what? He was like, no, my Target has it. Okay, well, I called again. Nothing. I said, okay, this is crazy. Anyway, she ended up sending me one. She's like, hey, I picked you up a Target. I'm like, oh, no, I didn't want you to do that. She was so nice to share this with me. And I really wish she would have gave me her PayPal, but she didn't. And yeah, we're doing a collab with the Saints, Angels, Sinners, We to Be Cute Together palette. All right, Kiki, I love you, lady. I love you. You're like the bomb. And guys, I still haven't been able to find it. Like I checked because I was like, all right, well, I have one, and then you know, maybe I can just grab another one. And I'm like, are you sold out? And she's like, we may be. I'm like, oh. Okay, how do you go from not having any to being sold out? I don't know. But anyway, Kiki, thank you so much. Seriously, hon, this was very nice of you. And I do very much appreciate it. Now, guys, as per usual, we are going to have a giveaway in this video. You must watch the whole video because I have a way of asking you something that I said in the video. I'm pretty good for that. Again, Kiki, thank you, honey, so very much. There's a card here. It was sitting like this against here. And then it looks like this. Very pretty. It says, Dear Stephanie, I hope this got you in one piece. I tried to reinforce it. That's what I was pulling off. I was like, why is there a frame around it? But I get it now. Thank you, Kiki. That's what I'm talking about with this woman. If you don't know her, she has her channel. Her channel is Kiki Clark. I'm going to link her down below. I will put it up here as well. Guys, go check her out. She's very sweet, and she has the most wonderful sense of humor. I'm serious. She's like me. If she's thinking something, she says it. You know what I mean? And I love that. So I will read the card. Dear Stephanie, I hope this got you in one piece. I tried to reinforce it with bits of boxy charm boxes. That's what they are. I freaking love her. Do not feel like you owe me anything. You do so much for everyone, and you're going through so much. This is the part when I read it got me. She said, I'm so glad you two brought us together. Love you so much, Kiki. Kiki, I love you too. This is what it looks like, and like I said, guys, you may have seen it, but maybe not. It does have this little slip cover that comes off. I will put the cost up here somewhere. It will also, if I can find it online, guys, or anything, I will link it down below. But the best thing to do is to go into your local Target and ask. You would think it would be in beauty, right? Well, in my Target, no. All right, we're gonna start with day 1. Okay, so here it is right here. There. Okay, so this is the Collab Dry Shampoo. This is original, okay? And that's what it looks like right there. Oh, it smells good. I don't use dry shampoo, so I will stick this somewhere for a giveaway. Day 2, right here. We have the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Now, I have the dewy one over there. So your girl is hecka dry. So I don't need anything to put me to matte because I'm just naturally matte. So this is what it looks like. And it does have a little pumpy thing right there. Okay. So again, this will go over here into like the giveaway pile, which is really good because, like I said, at the end of all these advent calendar, guys, remember, you must watch all of these videos and participate, like, you know, if I ask you to do something, because there will be a giveaway in each one, so you're going to want to do that. And then at the end, I will pick 2 winners, and they will win their own high-end advent calendar, okay? All right, so moving on to day 3. I'm sorry. We'll be here for 5 hours doing this 12-day calendar. Hold on. I'm just really, like, all over the place. I wonder if it's a full moon. I don't know. Okay, so this is tiny. What is this? This is going fine. Oh, no, maybe not. Uh-oh. It's peeking out. Something fell the way I'm holding it. I'm stuffing it back in there. Got it. So this is the Unibrow Precision. Oh, from Winky Lux. I have a full-size pink one around here somewhere. What shade is it in? You know, putting brow products in here is fine, but, like, when it gets to, like, shades, that's very tricky because not everybody's the same shade. It says Universal Brow Pencil in teeny tiny letters. I can't find the shade, but I will open it up. I don't want to swatch it in case it's not my shade, and then that will be a waste. So I will put it up there. It is a little guy. I can't tell you how many times I put brows on and forgot, and I'm like rubbing my eyebrows. And then I'll look in the mirror and one will be gone. And of course, I don't bring any brow products with me, but this is good to have in your purse, you know? And now we're moving on to day 4. Oh, right here. Oh, okay. I love this stuff. I just used this today. This is what it looks like. Okay. It's a 10-in-1 primer. And this is the NYC. It's just a little guy, but listen, you don't need very much of this, okay? And it smells very, very good. So I highly recommend, if you have not tried this, to definitely try it. I do think that you would definitely see a difference, you know? I know I did. And it takes a lot with this hair. It's so damaged, you know what I mean? So let's move on to 5. I'm sorry I'm talking so much, guys. I get really rammy when I'm tired and ADD's out of control. Oh, that thing wants to come out. Wait a minute. No, go over here. All right. Oh, I remember what that is. I remember now. Kiki was kind of flipping out. Okay. That was funny. All right. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine in Cheeky. Oh, it's orange. I don't think I'm going to open that, guys, but this is what it looks like, because that's like straight up orange. I think they're trying to say it's peach maybe, but no. So I'm thinking that's a full size, you know, so that's cool. I like e.l.f. e.l.f. has really stepped their game up lately. Like, they really have. We are moving on to day 6 right here. Oh, wait, did I do 6? Nope. So this is the e.l.f. Putty Blush. It's in Bahamas. So I have this kind, like the I don't remember the name of the color, but it was more like a cranberry. And it was lifting off my foundation. Now, I don't know if it's the way I was applying it. I don't know if that's really my shade, but that's a full size too, so that's cool. Now we have 7 right up here. Oh, okay. This is the Bite Size Face Duo. Oh, Face Duo. Spiced Apple. Okay. I do like this one. I think that's a little dark for me, but... Anyway, you have that, and that, I believe, is a full size, right? I would imagine. Let's see. Yeah, oh, bite size. Well, it's full size in the sense that I think you can buy this, you know what I mean? So there's that, okay. Door 8, which is right here. I hope you guys can see me, man. Okay, so there you have that. Oh, yay. Okay, I remember now. I was excited to see this. This is the original makeup eraser. Machine wash, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin. Yes, I like these. The one I have is, I want to say, like that big right there. This is a perfect size. As long as it can go on your face, you're good to go. So I'm happy about that. Okay, so we have that, all right. Then we are going to door 9, which is right here on the last one over here on the edge. Okay. And we have another spray. Oh, okay, so this is Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. Now, I don't usually use hairspray, you know, being with the hair falling out, but I have been known to use like a flexible hold. This one is for 24-hour frizz control. I do have a couple products from Tresemme, and I do like them. So here's this, okay, and this is good to have in your bag. I wonder what it smells like. I'm going to see. It's like, doesn't have, it smells like a little clean, but a little hairspray, but not really like fragrance. And then we're going to 10, which is right there, okay? Oh, yay, I remember now. Yay. So, Real Techniques, #1 makeup sponge. I do like Real Techniques because I used it today. Yes, it's dirty. I used it today like 5 times to try and like fix my blush. Oh, it's terrible. So there you go. This right here is probably like $5 alone. That was day 10. Day 11. Here you are. It's this one. It fell down. It keeps wanting to pop its head out. Now, I remember when Kiki opened this, I was dying. She had me rolling. This is the Undeniable Beauty Healthy Hair, Skin, and Nails from Ollie. Okay. There's 2. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. Okay. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. I'm not trying to sound ungrateful, but what do you do with 2 of these? Like, how do you, like, why? Why do they have them in here? I would love to hear the reasoning behind that. Really. It's not like you can eat them and know, oh, I like them. I have to go get more. Like, they work. No, there's 2. So it's 2 gummies. What flavor is it? Grapefruit Glam? No way. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's the first time I've seen grapefruit one. It says it right there. Look, it has a picture of the little grapefruit right there. Okay. All right, so, you know, the 2 gummies. Let's not forget that. And then we are on day 12. So that brings us to the end of the calendar, and it is right here. My arm, man. Whew. I'm going to need like 3 days to recuperate. Okay, so let me go here. Oh, yes, the Pixie by Petra. I kind of like Pixie by Petra. I don't have a lot of stuff, but she makes things very easy for the mom on the go. Like, you know, a mom that has like a career or just a mom that wants to get her makeup done, you know. So this is Endless Silky Eye Pen, water resistant eye pencil. In what shade? Endless Silky Eye Pen in Black Cocoa. Is that brown? I think that's brown. I think you could have gotten different ones. I'm not sure. And that's her too. Like, I think she's very pretty. Like the elf packaging. All right, listen. I'm taking it out if it kills me. I am. See, now I would like it to be like this. This color, that would be mad cool. Why won't it come out? Okay, you know what? You little stinkers. So this is the shade right here. I'm not going to swatch it, guys, because I have a gajillion eyeliners right there. So that's what it is. It's like a very dark brown. Okay, well, at least not black. I got a little bit on there. Can you see it? Oh, my gosh. So there you have it. All right. I will say this calendar is pretty well rounded. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. So we are having a giveaway in here. And in this giveaway, I think I'm going to make it a mystery giveaway, okay? Because, yeah, I wanted to do one in one of these and I forgot. So now I'm doing this and I remembered. So that's the only reason, because if it wouldn't be in this one, it would be another one. So we're going to do a mystery giveaway, okay? And when I do mystery giveaways, guys, just know that I try and get as much information from the winner as possible to put something together that I know they will enjoy. Okay, so just know that. YouTube is not responsible for anything I am. The first rule to be entered in this giveaway is you must be subscribed and you must be on public, okay? If you are not familiar with that or you don't know if you are public, Kiki's Cracker Jack box has a video. You could view it there, or you can always reach out to me. I will check for you and see if you are public. If you're not, I can walk you through it, but we have to be following each other somewhere so that I can, you know, explain it to you. But again, if you're not sure, please ask. I would hate to see you be disqualified. And guys, for those of you who are always here all the time, please check your subscribe button, okay? You know, I don't want to disqualify anybody. So just please double check. You must be 18 years or older. I always list the rules down below, guys. So if you ever, you know, forget or you don't want to go back and like thumb through the video, they'll always be down below, okay? Please read them because I would hate to have to disqualify you for something that, you know, you didn't do or didn't hear or something, you know what I mean? That's why I do that. So in case you miss something, you can go check. I will be picking and choosing which ones will be international and which ones will be here in the US. And that is because I've been saying it. The big one where the 2 advent calendars will be up for grabs, that will be open international, as well as our 1500 will be open international. So I'll be bouncing back and forth. So that's why you must check down in the list of rules. I will write it down there. This one will be for the US only. Sorry to my people that are out of the country, but like I said, next one will probably be international. I'm just gonna like alternate it, okay? Use the word favorite product. It's gonna be 2. You're gonna use favorite product right after the other. And please list something. Please put it in a sentence. If you just leave the word down there, you will not be entered. It has to be used in a sentence. Because guys, when people come through and just read comments, they figure it out like this, right? So my goal is to get this channel to 1,500 before it turns New Year's Day. So if you want to earn a bonus entry, you absolutely can. You have to share this video out and you must tag me and let me know where it is so I can go find it just to verify it. Once the post office gets it, you know, and it is Christmas time, and I'm going to try and get it to you before Christmas. I'm going to try my best, all right? I can't be responsible, though, if the post office loses it or it's damaged in any way. Also, anything that I send to you, please patch test, guys. I don't have to tell you that, right? Even I do that, and I forget everything. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please remember, this is the holidays. Guys, I'm going to keep saying this because this is one of the worst things that's happened to me, and I don't want my family to ever feel like that, and that's you guys. If you're fighting with somebody, you're feuding with somebody, and you have not spoken to them in a while, please try and find it in your heart, you know, maybe to forgive them, not necessarily for them. Like, I forgive my mom, but not for her. You know, I have to get to that point. I forgive her now for me because I know I will be going crazy. You know, if you miss your opportunity, trust me, it's not fun. Even if they don't reciprocate, at least you know you did everything that you could. I wouldn't want anyone to feel like I feel. And also, in this crazy mixed up world, all my loved ones all across the globe, please stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. I have used some of her stuff before. Ooh, Carly just fell. I thought cats don't fall. She literally just fell. I don't know what she was doing, but she fell. Oh my gosh, my poor cat.